Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly know me as English Wali Ma'am. So, आज we are again here for our T20 series of EPL, Easily Perfect Your Language or Easily Perfect Your Literature. तो कल के T20 सेशन में हमने हमारे सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर से जो सेकंड स्टोरी है, सेकंड चैप्टर है द थीफ स्टोरी, वी रेड इट एंड अंडरस्टूड इट इन डेप्थ. सो आज के सेशन में हम क्या करने वाले हैं? वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स of the people involved in the story, of the characters of the story, and what are the core values that we learn from this particular story. All right. So सबसे पहले we are going to understand the character trait of the thief who called himself as Hari Singh. All right. So we know कि हम क्या करते हैं, हम कैरेक्टर ट्रेट जब भी कोई लिस्ट करते हैं वी पिक एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ. सो सबसे पहला कैरेक्टर ट्रेट है दैट हरि सिंह वाज स्किल्ड एट हिज वर्क. हमें कैसे पता है? बिकॉज merely by looking at Anil he could understand that he can be taken into confidence. इसके अलावा हरि सिंह, the way he describes how different people react when they are robbed. It says the greedy man, he shows sorrow, the rich man shows some kind of a different emotion, the poor man shows acceptance, but a person like Anil who has laid confidence in me, if I steal him, he is going to show sign of sadness due to loss of trust. तो हरि सिंह जो था उसको पता था that how he can pick up his next target. Second, he knew how different people react when they are being robbed. So इससे हमें पता चलता है that he was very skilled at his work. And of course, another point that we can pick is that he knew what is the correct opportunity to do a robbery. So वो अनिल के घर में बहुत टाइम से रह रहा था, but he waited for the right opportunity when he could steal the money from Anil. All right. Second character trait is of course dishonest. जहाँ पर वो explain करता है कि when Anil used to tell me to fetch some vegetables or some maybe dairy products, I would take some money from it. So he was being dishonest to his master. Third, he had the capacity to transform. मतलब जो हरि सिंह था, जो थीफ था, उसके अंदर ये क्षमता थी that he could be transformed, he could be changed into a positive being. ये हमें कैसे पता? क्योंकि जब वो स्टेशन पहुंचता है he feels that somewhere his conscience is pricking him that he has done something wrong. अगर कोई इंसान बहुत ही बुरा होगा शायद तो उसको अंदर से आवाज नहीं आएगी that I have done something wrong. But a person who has the capacity to be transformed, a person who can be changed into a better being, will have this feeling that I've done something wrong and I need to change. Then the last character trait of the thief is that he aspired for education. ये हमें कैसे पता? On page number 9 if you come, so he says that I knew that once I could read or write, once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. तो वो literate होना चाहता था. Why? In the first part of the story, his objective, his goal to get educated, get literate, to be literate was so that he can be a much better thief. लेकिन एंडिंग पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी में जो है व्हाई ही वांटेड टू बी एजुकेटेड सो दैट ही कुड अर्न रिस्पेक्ट इन द सोसाइटी. बट दोनों केसेस में ही अंडरस्टूड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन. ऑलराइट. Now we come to the character trait of Anil. So he was very easygoing. How do we know he was very easygoing? First, he never planned his finances and he had a clear way of earning. So page number 10 पर जहाँ पर Hari is explaining the first para, he said Anil made money by fits and start. And then he said that he kept on worrying about his next check, but the moment it came, he would go out and celebrate. So very easy going, very carefree kind of a person. Then Anil was also very gullible or very simple. What do you mean by gullible? Gullible, someone who can be easily taken advantage of, जिसको आप शायद थोड़ी easily you might fool this person very easily. आपको ज्यादा effort नहीं करना पड़ता. How do we know that? क्योंकि जब हरी से एक stranger उसके पास आके कहता है that I want to work with you, तो अनिल इतना second thought नहीं देता उस बात को, and he gives work to this stranger. He allows the stranger to stay with him, right? और उसी के साथ even learning on the very first day कि जो thief है, जो हरी सिंह है, इसने मुझे झूठ बोला है that he can cook. Even after knowing that, he doesn't let him go. He allows him to stay at home. Then we know that Anil was very compassionate. He was very forgiving. How do we know that? Of course, several incidents. First, letting a stranger come to your house. Second, helping him become literate. And third most important incident is जहाँ पर even after knowing it very clearly that it was Hari Singh who had stolen money from him, he still allows him to stay with him at his house. All right. Now हम सबको पता है कि जो हम कोर वैल्यूज एक चैप्टर से समझते हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं हम कैरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं उन्हीं से हम पिक करते हैं. So let us turn the board and let us see what are the core values that we have learned from this particular chapter. The first core value, of course, is that we should be skilled at our work. Alright, हमें अपना काम अच्छे से करना आना चाहिए. अब इसमें पहली चीज ये समझो, यहाँ पर जो मैं स्किल्ड एट योर वर्क की बात कर रही हूँ उसमें मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि आप गलत काम कर रहे हो, उसमें भी आप प्रोफिशिएंट होने चाहिए हरी सिंह की तरह. नो, आप जो भी पॉजिटिव काम कर रहे हो उसमें आप स्किल्ड होने चाहिए, लेकिन at the same time we need to understand कि हम सबको we all have that scope of learning of improvement. Alright, तो जो भी काम करो उसको अच्छे से करो, सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए नहीं करना, but positive काम. Okay. The second value that we learn is to be ready to change or to be open to feedback. अब ये जो thief था, he had that capacity to transform, right? So अगर मान लो आप अपने काम में बहुत skilled हो, लेकिन अगर आप में कोई एक area of improvement, I'll give you an example. Let's say there's a person who is very good, who's a very good, let's say, is very good in writing. वो एक author बन जाता है, alright? और वो एक publishing house में काम कर रहा है. Alright, so अब बहुत अच्छा लिख रहा है, उसकी बुक्स बहुत अच्छे से सेल हो रही है मार्केट में, but this person has a drawback or the area of improvement is that ये जो person है, he is never punctual, he never arrives to office on time. तो क्या है? So being late to the office, और वो हर जगह लेट ही पहुंचता है, चाहे कोई फैमिली फंक्शन है या ऑफिस है, कहीं पर हर जगह he is always late. तो ये जो हमारे अंदर एक एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं होती ना फीडबैक को लेकर कि अच्छा दिस इज द एरिया और दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन, इससे हम अपनी ग्रोथ को लिमिट कर देते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट इज द कोर वैल्यू? दैट वी शुड बी ओपन टू फीडबैक एंड वी शुड बी रेडी टू चेंज आवरसेल्व्स. अगर कोई एक्सपर्ट हमें कोई फीडबैक देता है जो हमारे ही बेनिफिट के लिए है, then we should accept it and change ourselves accordingly. Next, of course, we should be compassionate. I think this is very self-explanatory. आपने नेल्सन मंडेला के चैप्टर में भी इसको अंडरस्टैंड किया है. And last value is importance of being educated. All right. So education क्यों important है? Of course, it helps you become skilled and at the same time helps you earn respect in the society. So that's about from this chapter, the thief story, the character traits and the core values. अब इस चैप्टर के नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सट्रैक्ट्स अंडरलाइन करेंगे और उसी के साथ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस भी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you.